Good evening, everyone. Today is the 16th of December in the year 2020, and I'm at the corner of 90th Street and 35th Avenue in Jackson Heights, Queens, New York. And right now we are experiencing a nor'easter. At the moment, it is not really that windy because what they're saying, we're supposed to be getting a lot of wind, up to 60 miles per hour gust. But it's not really that windy now. But one thing I can say for sure is that this snow is accumulating really fast on the ground, because some places we have up to 2 inches, and from what I'm understanding is that we should have between 8 to 12 inches. But so far it is looking pretty good, and the best thing we can do is just stay safe and warm and try not to go out there if we don't have to, especially on the roads where, you know, we're driving. And when you're driving on the road, then the trucks that salt the road don't have access to the majority of the road to get all that salt down on the road. But you know, walking here is a real good experience, just seeing all of this whiteness, knowing Christmas is around the corner, looking at the decorations and just enjoying it all. And everywhere looks so much wider because everything is now white, so everything is just uniform and giving you a full view. And I'll be crossing the street. I'm trying to be very careful because you can step down and miss your step because the snow is covering the edge of the sidewalk. In some places I'm seeing a bit of swirl, but mostly like when I look up to the street lights, then you can see where the wind, you know, is having its way with the snow coming down. But I'm not really seeing any large snowflakes. It's mostly like sleet. It's a bit wet. Here we have someone cleaning off their car. And this is the first nor'easter of the season. I'm not sure if we'll get another one, so I'm definitely enjoying this one here. I think the majority of the snow should start falling later on tonight, and then by late morning tomorrow I think it will slow a bit from what I heard on the Weather Channel. And I'm crossing 87th Street. The scenery is looking really nice on the trees here. And the temperature is going up a bit because when I came out the temperature was 28 degrees Fahrenheit and now it is 30 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is rising. One thing I'm sure of tonight is not a nice night to be out waiting on the bus, standing in the bus stop not knowing when the bus will be coming. We have some snow that people shovel out of their walkway. And I'm now crossing 85th Street. Now that's a beautifully decorated house there. And I think you have seen most of what is happening here in the area, and I'll end my walk here. I have already done other videos that I will be putting out, so you can go ahead and look for them. Please remember to subscribe and see you soon.